I'm in Monmouthshire in South Wales, where the local sandstone has weathered many a Welsh winter, and I'm here to see a new house built from this old stone. This is Silver How, L-shaped and in two parts, the larger newer stone section and a smaller converted brick barn. It's home to Emma and David and their daughters Grace and Charlotte. On the inside they needed a modern family house, but externally it had to feel more like a traditional Monmouthshire building.
I think 1905 it was built. It's the old coach house to next door, so...
It's hard to tell which is the younger, which is the older building. Because that's got a tile roof and it's painted brick. This is got a metal roof and it's made from local stone. Oh, this is lovely and refreshing and light and spacious. They removed a floor to make this big vaulted space, fitted out with a gargantuan wall of oak cupboards that in fact hides a utility room behind and a mezzanine playroom for the girls up top. Through in the new part of the building, the rustic stone exterior actually hides a steel frame that does all the hard structural work, allowing for an expansive living room and decadent amounts of glass.